For future missions, such as Mars or even Moon, one of the challenges is, of course, to keep the astronaut alive and to provide them the oxygen, the water and the food they will need. But this represents mass which are very high. So we try to recycle absolutely everything in order to produce during the mission the oxygen, water and food. And the European project, which is devoted to this, is called MELISA. And it involves a large number of European organizations. And I'm here today to present it to the Slovenian authorities.
My name is Björn Huwe. I'm from the BioMax project. This is the Biology in Mars experiment, BioMax. And so we are aiming to find out if there is the possibility we can find some life there and how could it look like. And the other thing is discover the boundaries of life. So how far can we go as life to live under extreme conditions and still be able to live, to reproduce, to grow?
So for me, that participation to the Earth Without Humans symposium was an opportunity to present to the public my participation to what we call extreme art expedition, as well as analog astronaut training. I went to many expeditions in the high Arctic, but I'm freshly back from an astronaut training in the Atacama Desert, which is the driest desert on Earth, and it's also an environment which is very analog to the Mars and Moon. And I joined a group of 9 people, including astronaut candidates there, up to 5,837 meters on the Oros del Salado, which is the highest active volcano on Earth.
At the festival, Earth Without Humans, I presented a lecture which was titled Getting There, Being There, Staying There, Mars, which dealt with all these parameters of how to get to Mars, how to travel in a zero-gravity environment, what are the conditions for humans to be working in this microgravity environment and to be protected from radiation. As a next step, building a first base on Mars, and also creating a sustainable system for really long stays there, including a greenhouse, and building larger bases from local materials, such as using the local Martian sand for 3D printing of habitats.
In the scope of the Earth Without Humans 2 festival, I gave a lecture on transhumanism, in which I really tried to think about what does it mean to be an Earthling in this very lonely place of the Orion spur of our galaxy. And it made me think a lot of really what is the future of humankind in this galaxy. And of course, if there are other intelligent civilizations, we think about that a lot. The calculations say there might be. The observations tell us that there's a lot of planets around other stars. Very few of those for now could harbor liquid water, very few. So if we look at these numbers, there might be a chance that there is life in this universe.
Hi, I'm Carl Yerkes. I'm here at the Earth Without Humans 2 symposium presenting Somnium, which is a multimodal robotic installation with sound. It's inspired by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope, which searches for exoplanets. Kepler gathered about 4 years of light curve data for 200,000 stars just off of the Milky Way near the Cygnus constellation. Inspired by this, we adapted John Jenkins' technique for turning light curves into audio sounds. But for all 200,000 of the Kepler objects of interest, the systems that the Kepler Space Telescope investigated. Somnium is about light and about sound and scale, and it tries to help you contemplate what it means to be searching for these exoplanets.
За фестивал Земля брез ljudi sem pripravil v storozvočni galeriji Sonoritum 8-kanalno zvočno inštalacijo imenovano Electromagnetic Spectrum, ki temelji na zajemanju zvokov oziroma elektromagnetnih sevanj raznoraznih dolžin in jakosti iz vesolja. Se pravi, sem s pomočjo različnih orodij, od starih radijskih, analognih in digitalnih sprejemnikov do sofisticiranih programskih radijskih orodij zajel in lociral raznorazne šume, pulze, gliče ter iz njih naredil neke vrste zvočno skulpturo, ki sem jo potem seveda s pomočjo svojih programskih orodij postavil v neko dramaturško, zvočno, večkanalno podobo, strukturo, kompozicijo, ki pa se v bistvu pravzaprav navezuje na moje prejšnjo delo.
Ja na ovom festivalu predstavljam rad koji se zove Kosmologikus. U pitanju je jedna celina koja je sačinjena iz dva rada. Prvi rad je generisana knjiga koja se zove Lexicon Liber Novus. Ta knjiga je generisana iz jedne rečenice Borgesove pesme Two English Poems. Ta rečenica ide We talked and you have forgotten the words. Dakle, cijela ta knjiga Lexicon Liber Novus, koja ima skoro 4000 strana, generisana je iz tih 8 reči tog stiha. Taj algoritam funkcioniše tako da je svaka reč nepoznata i prva reč dobija broj 1, dobije svoje objašnjenje. Svaka reč u objašnjenju dobije broj, dobije svoje objašnjenje i tako dalje. Zapravo, da bih objasnila tih 8 reči u rečenici, morala sam da objasnim 47.144 drugih reči. Ta knjiga je na kraju meni dala jednu databazu u kojoj svaka reč ima svoj broj. Kada sam počela da radim na jednom drugom projektu koji obuhvata radio signale Jupitera koje možemo da snimimo na Zemlji, bilo mi je vrlo interesantno da povežem jedan naučni metod sa jednim pseudonaučnim metodom koji se desio sa knjigom i da prevedem radio signal i radio emisiju Jupitera u poeziju. Taj generisani tekst je projektovan u jednu crnu tečnost, vodu sa crnim tušem i sad da bih objasnila kako se desio ovaj metod, to jest kako ja prevodim taj radio signal. Radio signal ja semplom, to jest semplujem amplitudu signala i vrednosti, numeričke vrednosti koje dobijam iz tog semplovanja su u skali knjige, tako da bilo koju vrednost koju ja dobijem iz tog signala, ona ima povezanu reč. Ta generisana poezija projektovana u crnu vodu čini da ta svetlost teksta prodire kroz to crno i na neki način sliči spektrogramu kakav imamo kada analiziramo radio emisije ili bilo kakve emisije u spektru frekvencija.